Hey guys, I just wanted to make a quick video. This is a Ace maximum security key to light. That's the bitting on the key right there. I didn't even notice it, but I'm not sure how old this lock is. I went to an old kind of a little mom and pop place, and they had one of these. They didn't have any more of them, but it's a round body A527. It has a American lock keyway. It's brand new. Let's get in the vise and see what's inside this thing. I am going to be using a number 7 hook. And let's see what we got. 5's binding. Gotta click out a 1. What the hell? Yeah, I don't know what that was all about, but let's try again. And now I'm really curious to see what's in this thing. Alright, counter rotation on 5. Didn't open that time. Touch 3 and got a deeper false set, counter rotation, and it's open again. Alright, so 2 times in what, 2 minutes, a minute and a half. Weird. Alright, so there's the bitting on the key. So no wonder 5 and 3 were 5 and 3. I don't know if 1 gave us any problems or not, but you need a Phillips screwdriver, punch it down. She's in there tight. Wonder what that little hole's for. It does have a bypass wafer, or anti-bypass wafer, and it has a hole in it too, or a little notch cut out. So get that clip off of there, and I'm gonna lock it back up so that I can turn it the other way. What the hell? So I'm not sure what just happened there, but it looks like there's a American serrated pin in one. Another serrated in 2. Spool serrated. Spool. So 6 pins, 5 pins populated. Alright, let's get the pins out of this. And we have serrated, 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 serrated. Nothing inside the core. Nothing special inside the Bible either. So we're a little out of order taking this thing apart with that follower getting caught up. But here's what we have. Just what you'd expect to find in an American clone. So we have all serrated key pins and serrated spool, serrated spool again. So even though it's got a really nice pins, she did not put up a fight. Let's go ahead and put those pins back in there and see how they sit. So you can see one's pretty far in there, but 2 and 4 almost don't need anything at all. Either way, thanks for watching, guys. Don't do anything I wouldn't do.